YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy app not showing live view. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so guys, first of all you power cycle the camera. So turn it off, press and hold the button on the back of the camera for about 3 seconds until it shut down, then turn it back on. So press and hold the power button again to reboot it and wait. It can take few minutes for the camera to reconnect your Wi-Fi network and show as online in the app. Okay, another thing is guys, check app and the network. So guys, update the app, ensure you are running the newest version of the Birdfy app. If the app frequently stall, so community feedback suggests using the companion native app, so to view your camera stream more reliable. Then re-verify your Wi-Fi. If you are changed your Wi-Fi router or the password, or if the feeder is too far from the router, the live view will time out. So try moving the feeder closer to your router temporarily to see if the stream loads. Okay, second thing is guys, logged out and re-log in. So guys, go to the app settings and logged out, close the entirely app and swipe it away on iOS or the Android. Then guys, open the app and log back into your account. This forces the app to refresh your device list and re-stabilize the secure connection with the camera server. Third thing is guys, check the battery. If the battery is completely drained, the live view will not load. So plug your Birdfy feeder into an outlet to fully charge it for a few hours before attempting to the view the live stream again. So guys, thank you.